It's English grammar lecture time for grade 2. Today's topic is essay writing. In the name of Allah, the most gracious and the most merciful. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you all? I hope you all will be fine and enjoying good health. I'm also good, alhamdulillah. Welcome to our English class. I'm your English teacher from Qura Public School Junior Branch MTC. Students, today we are going to do the essay writing. The name of our essay is A Visit to the Zoo. Have you ever go to the zoo? Have you ever seen the zoo and have you ever seen the animals in the zoo? So let's discuss and share, and today we will do this topic. It is our today's task. Essay writing A Visit to the Zoo. As you can see, here is a picture of zoo. It is a very beautiful picture. I have selected this picture for you. So because children are happy to seeing the animals of zoo, so today's topic is very interesting. I will share the pictures of zoo and I will share the helping words for writing the essay. So let's towards our today's task. And firstly, take out your English grammar notebook and you will maintain the page. Firstly, you will draw the margin line, then you will maintain the page, day, date and topic. You will underline the topic and get ready for writing the essay. Firstly, I will explain, I will share the images, then we will write on the notebooks. As you know, today is Wednesday, 28th April 2021, and today is grammar day. Topic is A Visit to the Zoo. A visit to the zoo. I like this picture very much, students. Here are so many beautiful animals. They are very happy. They are naughty animal. Now let's see what is in this paragraph. Firstly, I will share a web to you for your helping words. These words will be helpful for writing an essay. First word is exciting. Second word is purchased, entered, shaded, swimming, varieties, experience, inquire, attraction, amazing. Student, these are all the helping words. It will be very helpful for writing this essay, as we will make the sentence by the word exciting. A visit to the zoo is a very exciting and interesting experience. When we went to the zoo, we purchased the tickets. We will make the sentence of purchased. We purchased the tickets and entered in the zoo, and there were so many shaded huge green trees. Some birds like swan, ducks and fishes were swimming in the pond. There were the too much variety of different animals. And the word experience, you will use your word experience. The it is a very beautiful experience. And enclosure mean we have saw many zebras in a separate enclosure. Attraction, there were too much attraction in the zoo. Or you can say we also saw some penguins in the zoo, which were the main attraction. And amazing mean this tour was very amazing, or all the animals were very amazing. Different sentence we can make by these words. These are the helping words for writing a paragraph. So let's towards our today's task. Here I am going to share some images of zoo. I hope students you will better understand with these images. Student, this is the picture of zoo. It is the zoo of our city Bahawalpur. It is the main entrance of the zoo. I am sharing with you some pictures to make your concept more clear. It is a ticket house. We purchase the tickets from this house, then we will enter in the zoo. So what we will see when we enter in the zoo? Yes, we go We went with our family. There was a lion, monkey, and peacock, uh, and it is a very beautiful view of a peacock. And this is the separate enclosure of zebras, as you can see. And there are swans and ducks are swimming in the pond. There is a deer, swans, and there are huge trees. People are sitting under the tree for taking their lunch. And students are did you enjoy a lot when you went to a zoo? I hope you enjoyed a lot, because I also enjoyed a lot when I went to the zoo. So now we will write our today's essay. Wednesday, 28th April, 2021. You will write topic essay writing. The topic is a visit to the zoo. So you will write, a visit to a zoo is very exciting and interesting experience. I went to zoo last Saturday with my family. We purchased the tickets and entered the zoo. The zoo is all shaded by huge green trees, as I have shared the image of the zoo where there were huge green trees. We saw animals like deer, elephants, monkeys, etc. There were some ponds also in the zoo, as I have shared the image of the pond. Swans, ducks, and fishes were swimming in the ponds. The zoo had many varieties of birds, also like pigeons, parrots, kingfisher, owl, etc. We also saw our national bird, peacock. Here is the spelling of cock is wrong. You will write COCK, cock, peacock. By mistake, here is written P. When you will write the spelling of peacock, you will write PEACOCK, peacock, in the zoo, which was a very beautiful experience. Then we saw the lions and tigers ahead. There were many zebras in a separate enclosure. We also saw some penguins in the zoo, which were the main attraction. After watching all these amazing animals, we had our food under the shade of a huge banyan tree. We enjoyed this day a lot. It was really a wonderful experience. Students, after sharing the images and after reading this paragraph, uh, I can imagine that I am in the zoo with all of you. Are you feeling like this? So, this is your today's task. You will learn and write this essay on your English grammar notebook, and it is your dictation line number 1. Today we are going to take the revision of our dictation, because one time we have done our dictation list 1 to 20. Today we are going to take the start from dictation line number 1, which I have assigned to you yesterday. Revise these dictation words, then you can write these dictation words also on your English grammar notebook. First word is warm. WARM, warm. STEAL, steel. WONDER, wonder. BLOSSOMS, blossoms. LOVELY, lovely. It is dictation line number 1. You will maintain the page same like this. Wednesday, 28th April 2021. Then you will write topic dictation line number 1, and you will write these words without cheating and do your work honestly. Okay, students? It is your class assignment, essay writing, a visit to the zoo, and dictation line number 1. It is our class assignment, and your home assignment is learn classwork. It means you will learn essay, paragraph, a visit to the zoo, and dictation line number 2. It is your home assignment. Okay, students? I hope you will do your work carefully. Okay, students? Till then, Allah Hafiz. It's time to say goodbye. Have a nice day. Allah Hafiz, students.